81-year-old woman dies in a house fire in Lionel Town, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A senior citizen died in a house fire in Lionel Town, Clarendon on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 81-year-old Francesca Williams of Lionel Town Housing Scheme in the parish. Reports are that at around 12:45 a.m., residents observed fire coming from the four-bedroom house and alerted the police and fire department. On the arrival of the responders, the house was seen engulfed in flames. While investigations are ongoing into the cause of the blaze, residents believe that the fire may have been started by a candle that was reportedly lit by Miss Williams in her bedroom. The estimate of the damage to the property has still not yet been ascertained by the fire department. The police has since commenced an investigation along with the fire department. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.